Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents and Supreme Court cases, which is what we got for you today. May 22nd, Supreme Court decision, Oklahoma Charter School Board v. Drummond. Very interesting situation we got here that we have not actually covered yet. We have a judgment affirmed by an equally divided court. In this case, the Supreme Court did not make a ruling, so the lower court's decision stays in place and no national precedent is set. So let's get into it. In 2023, Oklahoma's statewide virtual charter school board approved an application from the Archdiocese of Oklahoma City and the Diocese of Tulsa to establish St. Isidore of Seville Catholic Virtual School. This would have been the first publicly funded religious charter school in the United States, requiring mandatory participation in religious activities like prayer and mass. In response, the Oklahoma Attorney General Genter Drummond filed a lawsuit against the charter board, arguing that funding a religious school with taxpayer money violated both the U.S. Constitution's Establishment Clause, basically saying the government cannot create or support an official religion, and the Oklahoma Constitution, which prohibits public funds from supporting religious institutions. In June 2024, the Oklahoma Supreme Court ruled in favor of Attorney General Drummond, saying that the funding of St. Isidore would violate the Oklahoma Constitution and U.S. Constitution's Establishment Clause. The case was appealed to the Supreme Court, where Justice Amy Coney Barrett recused herself, reportedly due to prior associations with those involved in the case, so that left 8 justices that returned a vote of 4-4 split decision. Therefore, the lower court's decision to side with the Attorney General Drummond stands, but no national precedent has been established. And this is a shadow docket case, so we're not sure exactly which justices voted which way, but generally speaking, this case says that you cannot give funds to religious institutions, public funds to religious institutions. All right, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you later.